Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how we can fix the stuck in the offline mode issue on Steam in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to Steam and let's say for instance you've been experiencing this issue. Like for example, I am experiencing it right now. I'm in offline mode and I'm stuck in that offline mode and can't go back to online. There is one fix you may try here possibly. So this is what you will need to do, guys. You will need to access your devices, for example, Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating systems, Tasks Manager. To do that, right-click into your task manager or taskbar at the bottom and select Task Manager. As you can see, the interface or operating system language is not English for me, but you will find the Task Manager feature here. So inside your task manager, guys, what you want to do is navigate to processes and go through the entire list of all ongoing processes and disable any Steam related process by right clicking into it and by selecting end process. And if you see multiple of these Steam related processes, go through that list and do the same for each one of them. Right click, select end process, and after that restart Steam. And what you want to do now, you should be able to run Steam also in the online mode. To do that, click into Steam in the top left, select Go Online, and there you go. Now, if I head back to the library, you will see that I'm back online again, guys. So that's how it can be possibly fixed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.